How to download and install Call of Duty Warzone mobile. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. I have got some exciting news for you all. Call of Duty Warzone, the popular PC game, is now available for mobile devices on both Android and iOS. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Call of Duty Warzone on your device. Let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Select Call of Duty Warzone Mobile from the search results. Tap on the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Note that file size is large, approximately 1.48 GB. The installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now play the game on your device. Simply tap on play to launch the game. Follow the necessary set of instructions and you will be all set to enjoy this brand new game on your mobile device. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download and install Call of Duty Warzone Mobile on your device. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.